So these are the 4 cooling towers for whole HVAC system. You have seen in another video I have shown you the 4 chiller pumps. So for that the 4 cooling towers are placed here. You see in this video. These are the cooling towers for cooling the water. Total 18 AHUs are connected into this. With all cooling towers, butterfly valve is connected. This is actuated butterfly valve. So from controller side we have also connected this butterfly valve. For the open and closing, you can see the valve is open. So for operation from our controller side, this butterfly valve is very important. You can see the cooling tower. This is the first cooling tower. I will show you the control panel also. This is the whole control panel. You can see here. For operation we have uses like 31, 32, 27, 28 and this 4, 5. For on and off, for the tripping, for the signaling, feedback, we have uses the connections from this also. This is the whole control panel for the cooling tower operation. These are the starters. I'm closing it. All 4 are same actually. With the help of this, the water is getting cooled. Then it is transmitted to FCUs, and further it is transmitted through AHUs, and with the duct system it is further transmitted to the whole building.